Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Dear friends, in this video we are going to talk how to use do, does, did. Do, does, did, the most important verbs to write and speak correct English. Do, does, did can be used as a main verb and also helping verb to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence, affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, that is question form. The main difference between do, does, did is do, does used for present simple tense, did for past simple tense. Do for first person, singular, plural, noun or pronouns. Does for third person, singular, noun or pronouns. Did for past simple tense. Now, take a look at how to use do, does as main verbs in the present simple tense. I do homework. We do homework. You do homework. They do homework. He does homework. She does homework. It does homework. In all these sentences, do is a main verb. Now take a look at how to use did as a main verb in the past simple tense. I did homework. We did homework. You did homework. They did homework. He did homework. She did homework. It did homework. All the above sentences, did was the main verb. As we stated earlier, do, does, did not only used as a main verb but also used as a helping verb to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence by adding not to the helping verb. Now take a look at the structure of negative sentence. Subject plus, do plus, not plus, main verb plus, rest of the sentence. Now, let us convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence in the present simple tense by using do, does. I go to market. This is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. I don't go to market. We go to market. We don't go to market. You go to market. You don't go to market. He goes to market. He doesn't go to market. She goes to market. She doesn't go to market. It goes to market. It doesn't go to market. Now take a look at how to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence in the past simple tense by using did. I went to market. I did not go to market. We went to market. We did not go to market. You went to market. You did not go to market. They went to market. They did not go to market. He went to market. He did not go to market. It went to market. It did not go to market. Dear friends, this do, does, did not only used to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence but also used to convert affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. Now take a look at how to convert affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence in the present simple tense using do, does. The structure of interrogative sentence is do or does plus, subject plus, main verb plus, rest of the sentence. I go to market. Do I go to market? We go to market. Do we go to market? You go to market. Do you go to market? They go to market. Do they go to market? He goes to market. Does she go to market? She goes to market. Does she go to market? It goes to market. Does it go to market? Now take a look at how to convert affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence in the past simple tense by using did. I went to market. Did I go to market? We went to market. Did we go to market? You went to market. Did you go to market? They went to market. Did they go to market? He went to market. Did he go to market? She went to market. Did she go to market? It went to market. Did it go to market? The structure of interrogative sentence in the past simple tense is did plus subject plus main verb plus rest of the sentence. Dear friends, remember do, does, did not only used as a main verb but also used as a helping verb to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence and affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. Do, does used for present simple tense, did for past simple tense. Do for first person singular or plural noun or pronouns. Does for third person noun or pronouns. Did only for past simple tense. But remember, don't use double plurals in the same sentence. Say example, she goes to market. She doesn't go to market. Not she doesn't goes to market. He goes to market. He doesn't go to market. But not he doesn't goes to market. Similarly, don't use double past tense in the same sentence. I went to market. I did not go to market, but not I did not went to market. He went to market. He did not go to market, but not he did not went to market. She went to market. She did not go to market, but not she did not went to market. She went to market. Did she go to market? But not did she went to market. He went to market. Did he go to market? Correct. But not did he went to market. Hope you might have understood how to use do, does, did as a main verb and helping verb. After watching this video, prepare 20 negative sentences, 20 interrogative sentences. Thank you. Happy learning.